How to navigate iPhone without home button. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, go to AssistiveTouch at the top and turn on the switch. AssistiveTouch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. Then, go to the Custom Actions section and tap on Single Tap. From the System section, select Open Menu. Now, go back and single tap on your home screen to open the menu. You can repeat this to open other apps or tools on your phone as well. Following these steps, you can easily navigate iPhone without home button. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.